Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Tyagi. I am just going to describe you how this assessment creation tool is working. So here you have to enter your basic login details which you will be provided with. After pressing on login, you'll see this kind of interface. Here you will see the list of the papers which have been already created. Now I'm telling you how we can create a new one. So on the left side you can see there are some options like create paper, create MCQ paper, exam setup and all. So I just choose create paper here to create the new one. Here also you are having two options like exam test or the worksheet. So let's say I'm moving to the worksheet. Here I'm selecting any of the class. Let's say I'm selecting class 10th. Here you can choose this subject. So it may be mathematics, science, social science, whatever it is. Let's say I'm choosing mathematics. So here you have to give it a name. Let's say you are giving a name it like dummy 234. So after doing this, you have to press on save and proceed. After clicking on this, you'll see the list of all the chapters included in mathematics class 10. The very first option are from the NCERT. The next is from the NCERT Exemplar and also some other reference books like R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agrawal. So you are having all the options. So let's say I'm selecting all the questions from the first pane and I just press save and proceed. Here you will see this kind of interface where you are provided with some of the filters. As per your choice, you can choose any of the filter. Questions on the left side, that is 10,808 questions. So what you have to do is basically have a look on the question. If you wish to add it into your paper, just click on this plus sign. After clicking on this, you will see your question has been added onto the right side and this is exactly your paper. Now you can choose more questions from here. At one time you will see only 20 questions. For more you have to press show more questions. You can select any of the question, n number of questions. You can see more options over there. And also if I'll talk about the filters, let's say the very first is to select any specific chapter if you wish to select. The next one is the marks, that is 1, 2, 3 up to the 8. And the next one is the nature, that is multiple choice, assertion, reason, fill-ups, true, false, theoretical, practical and case-based study questions. After that you can select any of the length if you wish to select, that is long, very short and short. And also you are having an option to select the difficulty level, that is hard, medium or easy. And this one will give you an option to select only the questions which has been arrived in the previous papers, right? After selecting any of the filter or the all, whatever you choose, you have to click on this search option. Let's say I'm just selecting multiple choice questions only and then I'll press on a search key. Now I'll see all the questions of MCQ based only. Here. So these are the questions which are MCQ based only. Let's say I've chosen some of the questions. You just need to click on this plus sign, nothing else. So here you will have the statics I mean to say that total number of questions, and the above side you will see the total marks, and also you can add or remove any of the question at any of the time while doing this. So let's say I've added 16 questions which are of 22 marks and I wish to make this much of paper only. So I just have to proceed the worksheet. Here it will ask you for the time. I mean to say that it's a time duration actually. It is like 1 hour is by default. If you wish to change it, you have to press yes, otherwise simply press no. Here is the option to add any of the instruction, like all questions are compulsory, using of calculators is not allowed. So whatever the instruction you wish to add, you can add here. Adding one time any of the instruction will remain here in the list. Means you need not to write any of the instruction again and again, right? So here I'm just skipping it. And now you will see your paper in this way, as the name of the institution, which can be changed, which can be, I mean to say that you can set any of the name, whatever your institution, and also the logo here, as we are here in Kumkum Modi, we can set the same over there, and also the logo of the same. And here I have written the address. It's your choice whether you will write the address or any of the thing which you wish to write. Also you can change its font size, and also you can select the size of the image, and here you can add more instructions. Also you can edit the paper if you wish to edit, and rest of the things you can do is you can add the sections also, right? If you think that the questions are okay, so you simply have to approve the paper, right? After approving it, you can open the same in the PDF form by clicking on open in PDF. Here you are having the option to print the same, or you can save it as PDF. You can save it in any of the location on your system. Let's say if I am saving it, by default it is on desktop. Let's say I am giving it a name as 1. So if I have to save it, I have to simply press on save. And now you can see if I'll move to my desktop, I can see the paper has been created successfully. And now here is the question paper. Total 16 questions. Now, the main important thing is at the moment you have created your question paper, at the same time you can see the worksheet for the same. You can also save the worksheet as the PDF by following the same process. Like print PDF, you have to save it as PDF, then you have to press on the save button, and simply it will ask you for the path. Let's say I'm giving it a name as 2, and I have saved it. So simply you can see, if you will move to your desktop, you will see the answer sheet is already created. Now, each and every question, the answer actually will be explained, whether it is MCQ or it is subjective. Let's say if I'm asking about this one, so the answer is this, and it will also give you the solution that why is this answer. So you can see here for all the questions. So this is all about creating a question paper. You can create the paper for any of the class, for any of the subject, for any of the chapter. Thank you.